Hey guys, your girl Miss Blaze here. It's like really early. But I actually enjoying a childhood favorite, avocado and ranch. I'm enjoying that at like 4 to 7 in the morning, but just happened to be awake and I just wanted something tasty, to start the day, it's part of my healthy regimen. So mm, always been a favorite. Avocado and ranch. Um Like I said, I didn't cook that. It's like supposed to be eaten cold, but I started to make some guacamole. I was gonna mix it, maybe in some tuna fish or something else healthy. But I decided just to eat it plain, with ranch. So, hmm anywho, that's just one of my things. And that's I guess you could call it a part of my kitchen channel. Okay, peace.